I am on my front porch and we have some artificial trees that a bird has made a nest in, and if you can see the little babies, birds moving in there. We're going to try to protect them, make sure that nothing happens to them. They chose kind of a bad place to build their nest, but I feel blessed that they're here. And to see this amazing wonder. They're so tiny. So we shut the lights off on the porch in the evening so the birds can go to sleep. This is what our porch looks like. It's a beautiful day, the 7th of May. Trees haven't budded yet. They're starting to though, but it's really dry out. So I'll take another shot of the baby birds. I don't know what kind of bird they are, but there looks like there's 3 of them. Maybe 4 in there. Of course, I don't want to touch them. But here's a little miracle that I'm sharing with you. Hope you enjoyed it.